back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with more work from home job leads. Today I have five different job leads that are hiring part-time. This is for my United States folks only. Some pay up to $21 an hour, which is a really good pay for a part-time job. Some provide the computer equipment for you. We're going to get into all of that. But real quickly, before we do, I just want to mention that the links to all of these jobs are in the YouTube description below. I've also included right below the job links a link to my video discussing all the different resources where you can use and find work from home jobs. So if you want to do your own search, and then I also have a video on 23 companies that hire transcription, non-phone typing jobs for beginners. Those are more part-time side hustle things that you can work into full-time jobs. So those are both linked down in the description box below. So check those out after this video. And of course, please give me a thumbs up, like button, and share if with your friends and family if you ever find anything that I share helpful. But first up, we have the company Forefront Dermatology. They are hiring a patient access representative. This is part-time remote. It says this role can be based in any of the United States in which Forefront operates, and they are starting this position out at $15.50 an hour. They do provide equipment for you, and they're looking to have people start November 11th, so that is just in about 30 days. So they will be calling you and setting up interviews pretty quickly, so get those applications in. They have the part-time schedules that they are looking for. They have multiple schedules available, so make sure if you are interested in this that you check out all of the different schedules. There might be something that works for you. But they are basically just looking for someone to be the central schedule and be responsible for computer appointment scheduling for all their clinics and updating the patient's personal information and insurance information into the computer. So you'll work with clinic staff to optimize the provider's ability to serve the patients. So you're basically scheduling patient appointments and taking their information and getting that put all into the computer so that's ready to go when they come in for their appointment. So you do need excellent telephone customer service skills for this, and you need medical office or scheduling experience. Next up, we have the roadside assistance company AAA hiring emergency roadside telephone responders to work remote. Now, this is a seasonal job. They're looking for virtual training classes to start October 31st. They are going to provide paid training. Training is 3 weeks, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So you do need to be available for the training session. Again, this company does provide all the work from home equipment for you, and after training they're looking for someone to be able to work part-time 24 to 30 hours per week, and they have different shifts that they have available, and they are listed here. It looks like they have a 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. shift, a 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. shift, or 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. shift. So they are looking for people to work more daytime part-time. This would be perfect for those of you who have small children in school and you want to be able to drop them off at 7:30, come home, work 8 to 2, and then be back in that pickup line at 2:30 to get those kids. But they are looking for someone to answer calls and accurately receive, record, and respond to the member's request from the incoming calls for roadside assistance. So you'll demonstrate a pleasant and professional telephone manner. You will assist members utilizing their AAA maps and PC-based map program. You'll determine their breakdown location and tow destination and provide trip routing and mileage information to them. Now, they are paying $15 an hour, and it looks like they do include a few benefits for their part-time people, including 401k plans and wellness programs. If that sounds like you, they don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma, and they are looking for someone who has 2 to 5 years of customer service, someone who has great analytical, written, and oral communication skills, and someone who has the ability to read a map and provide clear directions. Now, if you have a little bit of education, this one sounds exciting. The company Outlier.org is hiring somebody to grade writing. This is a 1099 contracting role. This is a remote part-time contract role, and it does have a flexible schedule, but it is very part-time. They're looking for someone just to pick up 2 to 4 hours per week, depending on volume of submissions. You'll grade the writing submissions for their introductory sociology course. You'll utilize the rubrics for consistent grading or written student work. You'll offer feedback and coaching to the students, and you'll leverage tools to identify plagiarism and report and respond to infractions as needed. So this is a specialized position. They do want someone who's a bachelor in sociology, someone who is possibly working towards a master's, someone who has an understanding of basic reading and writing comprehension, a great eye for detail, and the ability to identify areas for improvement for student success. Next up, the company 2U is hiring a part-time placement coordinator. They are looking for someone to be flexible and work Monday through Friday, 20 to 29 hours. They need someone to identify and administer placement site clearances that are necessary for students to begin placement on time while coordinating with the student. You'll maintain Salesforce and other databases to ensure accuracy of clearance requirements. You'll distribute affiliation agreements and perform other administrative tasks. So this one is again for someone in a little specialized. They require an associate's degree, but it does not say it has to be in any specific field, and they do want someone who has 1 to 2 years of administrative healthcare or higher education experience, and of course someone who has strong communication skills. Now, of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, but this one does pay up to $21 an hour, which is a great pay for a part-time job. And last but not least, we have the company Get Set Up. They are hiring a community specialist. Again, this is part-time, remote within the United States. Now again, this one did not list their pay, but Simply Hired estimates it based on other job postings that it is somewhere between $40,000 and $50,000 a year. But the community specialist is a key team member ensuring that older adults use their website and receive high quality experience before, after, and during each class session. This is a part-time role. They want someone to work 20 to 28 hours a week, and you'll support live classes and replay classes to ensure that every learner in the class got the correct Get Set Up ideal experience. So you'll engage with their community in live classes, replays, and VOD classes. You'll quickly and effectively respond to incoming learner questions, comments, and concerns, and you'll moderate the classroom with other interactive spaces to ensure everyone is following the community guidelines. So this sounds more like a moderating the live chat during a live class. So you'll work on a set schedule of 4 to 6 hour shifts. You will have to work some weekends. Now, they are looking for someone who has 3 years of relevant work experience, ideally with teaching, hospitality, or a customer service background, someone who's written excellent verbal and written communication skills, and someone who is a multitasker and go-doer. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.